Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. For What's New Wednesday, I'm coming to you guys with an unboxing review of the Sonicblend with 3D Flaw-Fill technology by Todd Beauty. In this video, I'm going to go in depth about the brush, how to use it, what it's good for, how it improves your skin, makes you glow, all of that fun stuff, and just really get deep down in there just like this brush does with foundation. So starting off, the box is very well done. It describes everything about it. I love the purple. If you guys know anything about me, I'm obsessed with the color purple, so this box is awesome. But like I said, this is the world's first antimicrobial sonic makeup brush with life protection that reduces bacterial formation that is likely to grow on a brush head between use by 99%. So on the back, it just goes in depth about the whole thing. So it's to reinvent the art of makeup application. Sonicblend is the first of its kind makeup brush that applies makeup at sonic speeds of more than 400 times per second. Wow! And has built-in protection against microbial contamination, so the brush stays cleaner, fresher, longer. Intended for comfort and control, the ergonomically designed Sonicblend uses gentle sonic movements to flawlessly apply makeup without leaving lines or streaks. Now in this box, the system includes cordless rechargeable sonic brush handle, the makeup brush head, travel case, USB charging cable, a user guide, and a 1-year warranty. So a lot of stuff for what you pay for. Now upon opening this box, the first thing I see is the handbook and 4 instructions on how to use it. So going through, it talks about the position, how to use it in certain parts of the face. It goes over how to charge it, how to clean it, how to store it, all of that fun information that you all want to know. Now, the next thing that I grab is, it seems to be a travel case or a storing case for the actual brush. And awesome feature, it has clip sides so it stays put and won't fall out or open up and stays super clean. So upon opening, this is a gorgeously made brush. You all can see the awesome grooves that are built into the brush to make it super comfortable when using it. Like, look at that. It falls perfectly into the hand and makes it very comfortable for ease of use on the face, like a paintbrush or a pencil. Very nice feature, love that. Now getting close and in depth on the actual brush head, super soft, full of bristles, dense, I freaking love it. Giving that little movable brush head a wiggle, it feels super sturdy in the actual unit. Now, I'm turning on the audio for you guys right here so you can hear the different functions of each 3 modes that this brush has for its movable brush head. Talking a little bit about each, I'm just going to slow down the video a bit so you guys can watch and see exactly how each movement is done for the 3 different modes that this has. The first one is just your regular medium pulse for the first mode. The second one is a medium pulse for this mode, and as you guys can see, it looks different on how it moves and rotates the actual brush head. And the third one is almost a pulsing function to the mode. So it pulses to get that foundation, blush, contour, whatever you're using it for, deep down and really give that flawless, nice finish and glow to your skin, which everyone loves. You gotta have smooth application. This brush I'm actually going to use in a makeup tutorial very soon for you guys, so you can get more of a look on how it is used. But this video, I just wanted it to be an unboxing review, in-depth talk all about it, and let you guys know all the information that I can for you. All the links for this product are in the description bar down below. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as comment down below if you've used this brush or heard about it. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye!